Hello everyone. So today I'm going to draw a inverted curve of a pentagon having a base side of 60 mm. Okay. So first of all we should set the prerequisites units, lengths and zoom all. Okay. Make ensure that before going to start the exercise you are in 3D modeling or drafting annotation. Okay. So because you are today we are going to create 2D alone. Okay. So enable the 2D drafting annotation and also enable the ortho mode. Then units, okay, it's in millimeter only. Then limits, prerequisite is important for all exercise. Okay, then zoom all. Okay, so next we should draw a pentagon. So here we have a drop-down menu. So select polygon. It is asking the side. So pentagon. For pentagon we have a 5 side, right? So give 5 and after that give enter. Then it will ask the edge. So edge are so we are going to create the pentagon using edge method. Okay. So edge. So it will ask the first point. This is my first point and the end point. We should give the base value, so 60. Give 60 and give enter. Okay, so after that you can measure the base size. Okay, so it is 60 only. So no need this one. Okay, so after that, so if you want you can create the numbering. So go to text command, single line. So it will ask the start point. So this is my start point. Height I will give 7. So then rotation angle 0. Okay, so A, B, C, D, and E. So if you want to exit from the numbering, just click outside. Okay. So next I'm going to draw a ray line. So ray line, I will start from B. It will passing through a A. Okay. So go to ray command. Ray. So ray is nothing but so infinite line. I'm going to draw an infinite line. So starting from B and passing towards A. Okay, after that give escape. So now check the line. So it is an infinity line. Okay. So after that, I'm going to create a circle using the center radius method. So if you are this is my first point, right? So I'm started real line from B and passing through A, right? So if it is start from first point means so this is your center point A. From here you have to draw a circle. So first I'm going to give the base value. Okay, for first side. So 60. So if it is second side means 2 into base side. So 120. After that 3 into base side, 4 into base side, then 5 into base side. Now I want to trim the unwanted portions. This portion I don't want this one, and also this one and this line. I don't want this line. Okay. So next I'm going to draw a ray line from C to C. So that line passing to B. Okay. Passing a point B. So this is my starting point and this is my passing point B. Okay. After that give escape. Then again go to center radius. This is my center point. So next 60 into 2. So 120 radius. Okay. So after that, trim the unwanted portion. Okay. So next, I'm going to draw a ray line that passing through C. So I'm starting from here, D to C. Okay. Then give escape. Then I'm going to draw a circle. This is my center point. So 3 into 60. So 3 into 60 means 180. Okay. Now I'm going to trim it this line. Okay. So I don't want this ray line also. Okay. Next I'm going to draw a ray line from E point to uh, passing through D point. Okay, then give escape, and I'm going to draw a center circle. This is my center point. So 4 into 60, 240. Okay, then trim the unwanted portion. I don't want this line and this line also. Okay, so next I'm going to draw a ray line. So go to ray command. So from A to E, passing through E. Okay, then give escape. So then I'm going to draw a circle. This is my center point. So 5 into 60, 300 radius. Okay, now trim the unwanted portion, and no, I don't want this one. So after that, I'm going to measure the size from here to here, and I need a base size. Just okay. So if you want to change the dimension value, go to dim style. So go to dim style. So then go to modify it, and I will mark arrow size 5, and text height I will give 5. Then primary units. So I will set precision value 0. Then after that I will give OK. Then you have to do the set current and close it. Okay. Now the values are changed. The arrow size values are changed. Okay. Then we can do the coloring also if you want. So select all the curves and go to by layer and do the coloring. And also if you want change the line weight setting, here enable the display the line weight. After that you can choose the thickness. Okay, 0.3, 0.35 based on your wish. So again I will select the line and go to by layer. Then I will select the line thickness and also color. Okay. So this is the inverted curve for given base side length 60 mm. So for pentagon. Okay. So if you want, you can create it for hexagon also. So if you want to create the hexagon means just select the polygon. So here you have to change the polygon size, polygon side 6. Okay, so we should give 6. Then edge method. This is my first point, and we have to give the base side. So whatever you want. Okay. So after that you have, should create a draw a ray line. So for all points. Okay. So after that we have to create the line like this. So circle like this. Thank you. Thank you for your watching.